So the nice thing about this tangent ratio is that if you were actually building something like building solar panels and you lived Baffin Island where the latitude is 70 degrees and you wanted to check or you wanted to build it properly so that this angle here, that's a bad theta, so this angle right here was 70 degrees, well, there's two different ways. One of them you could ask your parents and they'd say, do you have a measuring tape in the house? They would probably find something in their house that you could use to measure. There might be a ruler or a measuring tape. You would probably have something in your house to measure. Okay? Ask your parents when you get home if they have a carpenter's protractor to measure angles. And they'll say no, unless they're a carpenter, then maybe they might. But chances are they don't have a protractor handy to measure angles. But you don't need a protractor because if you know what the ratio should be for 70 degrees, then you could create your own properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if this design is good for Baffin Island or not. So here's Clyde River. We know that the angle tan of theta, the opposite side of that angle is 208, and the adjacent side is 70. So in this design, if we want to find out what theta is, we have to get rid of the tan part, and the opposite of tan, or the inverse of tan, is tan inverse. So we do tan inverse on both sides. And we get theta to be 71.4 degrees. So is that a good design? Is that way off or is that not bad? Not perfect, right? But it's not bad. Okay? If you wanted to find it out perfect and you knew that you had to build it 208 tall and you wanted this to be 70 degrees, I haven't shown you yet, and I'll show you tomorrow after the quiz, but you could figure that out. If you wanted it perfectly to be 70 degrees, and you were like, I need to adjust this so it's not 70, what would I make it? You can find that exact measurement. And we'll do questions like that tomorrow after the quiz. One more question.